Guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make a runny egg, the perfect runny egg. And I'm going to show you the 2 secrets to get a perfect runny egg, a sunny side up egg. Call it either one. Oh my goodness. Top it on toast, top it on a burger, or whatever you want to top it with, or just take a piece of toast and dip it in it. Either way, anyway, it is absolutely amazing. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, let's go over our ingredient. Well, you don't need but a couple of things, and absolutely you need your egg. Okay, and if you want to season it, you can put a little salt and a little pepper on it, so make sure you have a little salt and pepper. Secret number 1 is going to be what you cook it in. Not necessarily the skillet, but the oil. You want to use a non-liquid oil. Like, I'm going to use duck fat. You can use reserved bacon fat. Save your bacon drippings. If you fry bacon, save that. You can use that. You can use beef tallow. And if you don't have any of those, use shortening. But try not to use a liquid oil like canola oil or vegetable oil. Your egg will fry up much better in that. You can top it off with anything you want. You can put it on top of anything you want, I should say. I'm going to be putting it on toast this morning. So I've got a piece of toast already toasted here. I'm going to just put a little spinach on top of the toast. And then when our egg is done, we're going to top it off. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and get this runny egg made. That was secret number 1. I'm going to get to secret number 2 as we go along. So this is cold because it needs to be kept in the refrigerator. So I'm going to put it in here and just let it melt. Since I'm using a non-stick skillet, a tablespoon will do. Okay, we're going to let that melt and we'll be right back. Okay, I have my skillet on low. It's on about 200 here. Just going to spread this oil around a little bit. And you want to make sure you put your egg in slowly. So we're going to crack it. We're going to put it in slowly. You will need a top for it as well. Very slowly. Okay. Now we're going to just let it sit there. No need to touch it or anything. Just let it sit there. And as you can see, the white is starting to cook, and that's what you want. Once the white all colors in and you can't see any clear through it, you want to put a top on it. You're going to cook it like this for maybe about, it's going to take maybe about 2 minutes to get the white part completely solid in color. So we're just going to wait here and let it cook so that you all can see. And then we're going to put the top on it. You don't want to season it just yet. You're going to season it, but you're going to season it right before you put your top on. Or after you put your top on. I found there's no difference. I've done it both ways. So if you want to season it before, you can, or afterwards. Make sure your oil is all around it. So you can take your brush and make sure that oil gets all around the edges, because that's going to help set it. Don't put any on top of it, and don't touch your egg. Just make sure the oil goes all around the edges to make sure your edges cook and set. Okay, so now we're going to put the top on it. We're going to let it cook for another minute with the top on. Okay, let's check on it and go ahead and salt it. I'm going to put a little salt on it and a little black pepper on it as well. Just a little bit of pepper. Put the top back on it until the white is completely set. Oh my goodness, if you guys could smell this. Delicious. Okay, we are back and we're almost ready to take it out. Secret number 2. when you get ready to take your egg out of the skillet, no matter what skillet you're using. Now, I have found that to use a non-stick skillet works best. You can use a cast iron skillet. You can use a stainless steel skillet. But if you have a non-stick skillet, which my electric skillet is non-stick, perfect runny egg every time. This is going to be an amazing sunny side up egg. Secret number 2. You need to use a metal spatula. Yes, it's a non-stick pan and you think you want to use your rubber spatula, just be gentle. But the metal spatula is thin enough to go up under the egg without any damage or anything. So, let's get our egg out of here. The rubber spatula is just a tad bit too thick to really just scoop up under there perfectly. Look how it moves. It's not sticking or anything. So, we're going to get our egg out of here. And you see how I'm shaking it to get it under there? You want to make sure the base of your spatula is up under the yolk so it won't bust or burst, tomato, bottle, when you're taking it out. Okay. This is the perfect runny egg. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Slid right off of there. Okay, we're going to cut this open. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. We want to see this runny egg run. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.